Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make a green clay mask using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First step is to log in, then select skin and hair, and then we are going to select the clay charcoal mask. Then click create. First I'm going to do is select a chelating agent, and I'm just going to select the disodium EDTA. Next I'm going to select my humectant, and I'm going to go with the propane diol. And next I'm going to select my gum, and I'm going to select xanthan gum. Now I'm going to select my emulsifiers. First I'm going to select my anionic emulsifier, and I'm going to go with the glycerol stearate citrate. And next I'm going to select my non-ionic emulsifier, and I'm going to select the Olivem 1000. Now I'm going to select my lipids, and I'm going to pick the Briti oil because it is ideal for dry and damaged skin. Now I'm going to select the most important material. I'm going to pick my clay, and I'm going to go with the green clay as it is detoxifying and great for oily skin. Now I'm going to go in and select my preservative, and I'm going to pick the Yuxil PE9010. Now I'm going to select a fragrance or essential oil just so it smells nice. Now I'm going to select my actives. First I'm going to pick the acai fruit extract. It is a great antioxidant. And then I'm going to select the allantoin as it is great for sensitive skin and it is a great soothing agent. Next up is the added extras. And I'm going to select the goju berry extract as it is very rejuvenating and energizing. And I'm also going to select the licorice extract as it is also rejuvenating and soothing. Last but not least is my antioxidant, and I'm going to go with the tocopherols mixed. Then select generate method. And there you have a full formula and method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to create a green clay face mask using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own green clay face mask. Happy formulating!